Welcome to Easy Steps to Assemble Your Reahome Dresser Like a Pro, a complete guide. Here's a fun fact. Careful unboxing is your first step towards a successful assembly. So when your dresser arrives, treat it like a treasure chest. Unpack it gently, laying out all the parts and hardware. Then, take a moment to organize everything like a pro. This simple step can save you headaches down the line. When everything is ready and organized, you can proceed to the next step. Now that everything is organized, it's time to read the instructions. These are your secret weapon, an unsung hero in your assembly process. They're designed with you in mind to make this journey as smooth as possible. So, before you dive in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with them. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and begin assembling the frame. Start by connecting the sides. Feel the sturdiness? That's quality. Next, connect the back and the bottom. You'll notice the pieces fitting together like a well-orchestrated symphony. But remember, don't tighten everything fully just yet. We want to ensure all pieces are in their right place before we secure them. It's like a puzzle, isn't it? But instead of a picture, we're building something practical, something you'll use every day. Once all the pieces are in place but not fully tightened, move on to the drawer assembly. With the frame ready, you can move on to the drawer assembly. Each drawer is a simple puzzle of 4 main parts: the sides, the bottom, and the front panel. Connect these components just as you did with the frame, aligning them carefully to ensure a snug fit. Remember, patience is key here, so don't rush. Once assembled, slide each drawer into its designated slot in the frame. Now it's time to secure everything in place. Go through each screw and fitting, tightening them to ensure stability. No one enjoys a wobbly dresser, right? This is also the perfect time to make those minor adjustments to ensure your dresser stands level, even on uneven surfaces. The adjustable feet are a godsend for this purpose. After securing and adjusting the dresser, your assembly is complete. Congratulations! You've just assembled your Reahome dresser like a pro. Now step back, admire your handiwork, and most importantly, enjoy the added storage space in your home. You've successfully assembled your Reahome dresser. Well done! To recap, you've unboxed, organized, read the instructions, assembled the frame and drawers, then secured and adjusted. Users commend the dresser's sturdy build, design versatility, and safety features, especially the anti-dumping feature. Some did note that assembly, while straightforward, might take a bit longer solo. But hey, patience is a virtue, right? Remember, following these steps can make your assembly hassle-free and rewarding. Enjoy your new Reahome dresser. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.